Want to master the Instagram algorithm in 2024? First, you need to understand what it is and how it works. The Instagram algorithm is a complex system that organizes content for users based on their behavior and preferences. Think of it as a curator, sifting through a sea of posts, stories, reels, and IGTV videos to present you with a feed tailored to your interests. The algorithm's logic is rooted in three main factors: interest, timeliness, and relationship. Interest is determined by your past activity and the kind of content you engage with. Timeliness refers to how recent the posts are, with newer posts often getting preference. Lastly, relationship factors in the frequency and depth of your interactions with other accounts. In essence, Instagram's algorithm is a reflection of you, a mirror that bounces back what you show it. Now that we understand what the Instagram algorithm is and how it works, let's move on to how you can use this information to your advantage. Scene script. Mastering the Instagram algorithm is not as daunting as it may seem. It's all about understanding your audience and creating engaging content. Instagram's algorithm is, in essence, a set of rules that decide what content to show users and when. It's designed to provide the most relevant and engaging content to each user. To master it, you need to understand your audience and what they want to see. This involves knowing your followers' interests, their active hours on the platform, and the type of content they engage with the most. It's also crucial to create content that resonates with your audience. This doesn't mean churning out posts mindlessly. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. Create content that is visually appealing, informative, and adds value to your audience. Remember, Instagram is a visual platform, and your content should reflect that. But creating great content is just half the battle. The other half is ensuring that your content reaches your audience. This is where hashtags and geotags come into play. Hashtags are like the keywords of Instagram. They help categorize your content and make it discoverable to users who are interested in those topics. Geotags, on the other hand, help you gain visibility among local users, or those in a specific location. Now let's talk about timing. Posting at the right time can significantly boost your engagement rates. While the right time may vary depending on your audience, general observations suggest that posts made during midday and in the evening tend to get more engagement. You can use Instagram's Insights feature to find out when your followers are most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Remember, the Instagram algorithm is not a foe to be defeated. It's a tool that, if used wisely, can help you reach a wider audience and increase engagement. It's not about tricking the algorithm, but about working with it. By understanding your audience and creating engaging content, you can start to master the Instagram algorithm. With the right approach and a little bit of patience, you will see a noticeable improvement in your Instagram performance. So get started and let the Instagram algorithm work for you. Now let's dive into some useful tips and tricks for mastering the Instagram algorithm. Firstly, one of the most effective ways to boost engagement is by utilizing Instagram Stories. This feature not only allows for more personal interaction with your followers, but it also plays a significant role in the Instagram algorithm. A well-crafted story can keep your content at the forefront of your followers' feeds, increasing visibility and interaction. Secondly, engagement is a two-way street. Make it a habit to interact with your followers. Respond to comments like their posts, and engage in genuine conversation. This not only builds a sense of community but also signals to the algorithm that you have a strong relationship with your followers. Next, don't underestimate the power of Instagram's other features like IGTV. Longer videos allow for deeper storytelling, which can capture your audience's attention for a longer period. The algorithm favors content that keeps users on the platform, so take advantage of IGTV to do just that. Consistency is also key. Regular posting schedules keep your followers engaged and anticipating your next post. This consistent engagement is highly favored by the algorithm, so find a posting rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Lastly, don't forget the importance of quality. High-quality posts that resonate with your audience are more likely to be shared, saved, and engaged with, all of which are positive signals to the algorithm. With these tips and tricks, you can start to see significant improvements in your Instagram performance. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We dove into understanding the Instagram algorithm, exploring its ins and outs to grasp its impact on our social media presence. We then worked on mastering the algorithm, learning ways to optimize our posts for maximum visibility. And we also discussed handy tips and tricks to get a leg up in the Instagram game. Remember, mastering the Instagram algorithm is all about understanding your audience and creating engaging content. With the right strategy, you can significantly improve your Instagram performance in 2024 and beyond.